Patience is not the ability to wait, but the ability to keep a good attitude while waiting. 1 minute of patience is equal to 10 years of peace. Hey kids, how are you all? I hope you all are taking great care. Without taking much of your time, I will proceed to the project of the month. This time, I will be teaching you about volcanoes. Now let's know what are volcanoes. A volcano is a rupture in the crust of a planetary mass object that allows hot lava, volcanic ash and gases to escape from a magma chamber below the surface. Now let's see what all materials are required and how we can prepare a volcano. Children, these are the materials required and all are available at our homes.
Now we will take the cardboard and mark the center, and we'll place the bottle over here. You can choose also any glass. So I've rolled the sellotape. I'll put it here and place it. Now we will take these strips of paper. We will fold around 1 inch from the top like this and 1 inch from the bottom like this. So we will fold around 10 to 15 papers like these. Now you can see that I have folded the strips. Now one by one I'll take the strips and I'll put one at the top and the other one will rest on the cardboard. Now I'll keep on placing my strips of paper like these. Now I'll show you how to place the strip of paper. First you squeeze little bit of Fevicol. Put the folded part over the Fevicol and the next folded part you just insert inside the bottle. You can see that I have placed the strips of paper around the bottle. Now you can see that I have covered the bottle with the strips of paper. Wherever you can see any gap, you will be placing the strip of paper accordingly. Now take one strip of paper, roll it like this and make a cylinder, open cylinder, and stick this part of the paper like what I have done over here. Now I will place this cylinder inside the bottle. Now you can see after inserting that roll, all the papers are in their place. Now whenever we will pour the liquid inside to show the lava, it will not open. After making the base with the strips of paper, we will use the colorful paper. Now the choice is yours. Over here, I am using the colors like yellow, green and brown. You can also choose colors according to their availability. Now we will follow the same process with the color strips of paper and we will start placing them one after the another. Now you can see that I have covered the whole bottle and the base with yellow strip of paper. You have to keep on sticking it and pressing it so that it sticks properly. Now I will cover this portion with strips of paper. You can use green or brown. And I am cutting strips of paper like these and just sticking it randomly. This gives a natural look and I can cover the board area. You can see that I have covered the base with the strips of paper. I have even placed it over the volcano to give it a natural look. We will place these small pebbles randomly again to give it a natural look. Okay, all around or in a cluster you can just place them. And I've got little bit of sand and mud which I'll just place it. Okay, I'm just crushing them again to give it a natural rocky effect. Our basic structure of volcano is now ready. But volcano is incomplete without the eruption of lava. You can place over here any plastic cup. I have taken the other portion of the bottle which I had cut before. So this I will place here like this. I'll just press it so the paper gets squeezed. Show you how to melt a wax crayon. We need a toaster for indirect heating. I'll place a steel plate on top of it. I'll place my candle, which you can see it's burning right now. And I will just hold my wax crayon like this. Wax crayon is made up of wax. As soon as it comes in contact with the flame, it starts melting. And the wax in the candle is also melting. So what happens is you will get the liquid wax which you can pour on top of the volcano. Over here I am using yellow. You can also use red and yellow to give a multicolor of the lava. You can also give the effect of lava with the help of red paint. Children, now you can see that I melted one wax crayon and gave the effect of lava. Now we will give the effect of the smoke. For giving the smoke effect, I can see there is little bit of gap inside. So what I'll do, I'll just crush these papers, make it like a ball and start placing them inside. I'll take around 2-3 and I'll just keep on adding them inside. Now, in every house, we have this dhoop. I have an incense holder, so I am placing my incense over here, like this, and I'll burn this. Now you can see the smoke coming out and even the lava is coming out. So this looks natural and is looking as if the volcano is active.